In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to return work in Google Classroom. Start by opening Google Classroom and heading to the home page. This gives you a clean overview of all your classes. From here, open the class where the assignment lives. I'll use a sample class, but you'll select the class you actually teach so your assignments and students are visible. Once you're in the class, go to the Classwork tab. This is where all assignments, questions, and materials are organized. Find the assignment you want to return. In this example, it's called Reflection Paper. Click the assignment title to open its details, then choose View Instructions. This view is helpful because it shows the assignment description, attachments, and access to student submissions all in one place. Next, switch to the Student Work section. This is the workspace where you'll see each student's status, such as turned in, assigned, or graded, along with any attached files. If you use a points system, make sure the total points for the assignment are set correctly ahead of time so the grades you enter are accurate. Enter the score for each student. You can type the grade directly into the score field beside their name. If you need to open a file to review it more closely, you can do that without leaving this page, and when you close it, you'll return to the same list. Take a moment to scan the list for any missing work or late submissions so you know exactly what you're returning. Before you send grades back, check the filter near the top and make sure it's set to all students. This ensures the action you're about to take applies to everyone you intend to include. If you're only returning work for a subset, you can keep that filter as needed but confirm it matches your goal. When you're ready, click Return. Think of this as the final handoff. Returning releases the grades and files back to students so they can view feedback and see their scores. A confirmation prompt will appear to make sure you're ready to proceed. Review the selection one last time, then click Return again to confirm. That's it. You've navigated to the assignment, reviewed the submissions, entered scores, verified your student list, and returned the work. A quick tip, it's a good habit to double check that all scores have saved and that the assignment now shows as returned or graded for those students. This helps you keep your gradebook consistent and reduces follow-up questions. Thanks for watching, and now you're ready to return work confidently in Google Classroom.